Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Lacers Series 6 collectible shoes, and the theme for this series is Toy Story. So these were released in December of 2025, and they are available in the parks and at the Disney Store for $16.99 per box, and there's one shoe in each box. The Disney Store also sells these as a full complete collection for $99, and that is what I have here. So I will be showing you all 6 of these shoe designs in this video. So the shoe designs that we can get are Zurg, Buzz Lightyear, Woody, Bullseye, Jessie, and a mystery shoe. So let's open these up and see the shoes. So I have 6 boxes here to open up, which contain all 6 of the shoe designs in this collection. I don't know what shoe is in what box, so there's a little mystery on which one I'm opening. And usually this is when I tell you that I don't know the mystery shoe design, but unfortunately this time I do know what the mystery shoe design is because the Disney Store website kind of messed up and showed it. So the box here shows these 5 designs and a mystery design. So they show this on the website, but then they also show pictures of the actual shoes, and they show 5 of those with the mystery one. But those pictures show Bullseye missing. So then he's the mystery one in those pictures. So then it shows the 6th shoe. So when you combine this picture and the ones they show, then you see all 6 of the designs. So I'm thinking the one they showed is this mystery item. So we'll see. Unless it was some like early product that ended up not being in the designs, but I doubt that. So here we go. Our first one, we open it up and I can see it is Jessie. So these come in these bags, so they are individually wrapped. So if you do buy them as mystery boxes, then you could, if you get doubles, you could keep them sealed if you sell them or trade them, and you could say it's sealed. But let's get Jessie out of the box here. And which side did they show? Yes, we'll start with this side. This is the side they show on the box. So we have a big picture of Jessie here on the shoe with the famous Toy Story cloud wallpaper back there. And we've got kind of little squigglies down here on the bottom of the shoe. And then the other side shows Jessie a little bit more zoomed out here, and then you have her signature right there. It says Jessie. And then when you look at the top of the shoe here, you got like that cow print on the toe, which is pretty cool. And then that is also what's on the tongue of the shoe. There's no actual like print on the tongue like a lot of these have. We have some yellow laces, and the bottom of these shoes are different than all the previous series. Usually we have a Mickey head here, but with these, since they're Pixar, we do have the Pixar ball right there. And then the heel of the shoe, it says Pixar. So a little bit different tread pattern on that. Oh, and then down inside, what do we have down inside? I can't really tell what that is. Oh, that's, isn't that her belt buckle? Or is that her pendant or whatever that she wears, or necklace or something? I can't really tell. You're getting a better view of it than me. So we started with Jessie. So let's do, I don't know, let's just do the top row here. See which one this is gonna be. All right, I see some purple. What do we think? What's purple? Purple is Zurg. So we have the Zurg shoe. Free Zurg from the packaging. All right, so on this side, we have Zurg. It's a really dark image there, but that's kind of cool because, you know, Zurg, he's evil. Or is he evil? I don't know. So we have Zurg on that side, purple bottom to the shoe, and on the other side, we have a more zoomed in look at his face. That's pretty cool. And then on the tops of the shoe here, we have a purple toe with yellow laces, and there is a design on the tongue. It's the Zurg logo, or if you go on the ride in the parks, that's the logo that you're shooting. Those are the targets. And then down inside, looks like there's nothing. What? Almost every shoe has something down inside. I don't see anything down inside. And then the bottom of the shoe is, oh, it's the same. So it's just still the Pixar ball, and then it just says Pixar down here. So that's a little different, because in the other Disney Lacers, we always had a different design on the heel of the shoe that matched the character. So these look like they're just going with a Pixar logo there. All right, so we have Jessie and Zurg. See what we get for shoe number 3. And we have another purple one, Buzz Lightyear. So let's get Buzz out here. And Buzz, we have on this side, we have a close-up of Buzz's face, and it does have the Buzz Lightyear Star Command logo right next to him. And then the other side, very similar, we're just zoomed out a little bit more and still has that Buzz Lightyear logo. And then on the toe, we have a Space Ranger patch. I think that's usually the patch that he has. And then up on the tongue, we have the Space Ranger logo on there too. And down inside, we have, I can't read that, but it looks like it's probably a Space Ranger logo again down in there. And this one, some of the shoes, they do have the piece that goes up the back here. This one is yellow and it says Lightyear on it. So that's kind of cool. And then the bottom of this one, it's all purple, and we have the same tread pattern, just different colors to all these, but the same pattern. All right, let's go with this one. See which one this can be. Is it gonna be the mystery shoe? Ooh, it is. So this is what I would say is the true mystery shoe. This is the one they don't show on the actual box. And it is Rex. So we have our green shoe with Rex here. And this is the one that on the Disney Store site, when they showed the pictures of the shoes, they showed Rex, but no Bullseye. So they got them a little mixed up there. But on this side, we have a big picture of Rex's head, and we have the wallpaper in the background, but it's kind of a green wallpaper instead of the blue. That's pretty cool. And then on this side, we have a little bit more zoomed out picture of Rex, and it has his signature right there. That's cool. And then on the tongue, and in the toe and the tongue, we have, it looks like spots or scales. That's pretty cool. Green laces, lots of different shades of green on this one. Looks really cool. And then down inside, do we have anything? Let me see. Oh, we don't. Another one that has nothing down inside. What's going on? And then the bottom of the shoe is same pattern, but different colors there. It actually looks pretty cool. It's kind of got like a really, really light green with a dark green and a darker green. That is a cool shoe. And it makes sense. Rex is, in a lot of the Toy Story pin series too, Rex is the, like the chase pin, or, you know, the mystery pin like that. So it makes sense that it would be Rex, but yeah, the box has him as Rex, but Disney Store has it as Bullseye. And this one, we have Woody. So let's get Sheriff Woody out here. This one looks really cool. So on this side, we have Woody. Looks like he's running towards us, and he has his signature right there. That is cool. And we're back to the blue Andes wallpaper. And on this side, we have a more close-up look of Woody, and it has his sheriff badge. And then the top of this shoe, this is pretty cool. It's got a little bit more going on than some of the others. So we have the kind of the cow print pattern on the sides of the shoe. And then we have his, is that his shirt on the toe and then the tongue. And then we have red laces. So yeah, there's a lot going on when you look right down at the shoe from the top. And ooh, there is something on the inside of this one. Let's see. Ooh, we have the Woody's Roundup logo. I see a WR there. Woody's Roundup. And on this one, the thing that goes up the back of the shoe has got that kind of cow print. And the bottom, we just have some Woody colors for the tread pattern there. Very cool. All right, and the last one in this series, this one's going to be Bullseye. And it is I would hope so. When you buy the whole collection, it'd be good if you got the whole collection. So let's get Bullseye out here. So on this side, we have a picture of Bullseye, and then it says Andy because he has the A, the N, the D, and the Y on all four of his bottom of his feet. Hooves? Hooves. So that's actually a really cool feature there. And then on this side, we have a super zoomed in look at Bullseye's face. And we are back to that blue wallpaper. And then the toe has a cactus on it. That's kind of cool. So we have a cactus, we have some orange laces, and there's nothing on the tongue. And I do see something down inside. Let me push the laces out of there. And wow, I can't tell what that is. I don't know what that says. Like I said, you're seeing a really good picture of that, hopefully. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it looks like it goes this way. I had it upside down. Maybe? Looks like it says Bullseye, but I could be wrong. It looks like there's a lot of letters there, so I'm not sure. And on the back, this one, on the very back of the shoe, it does say Andy. So that's pretty cool. And then the bottom, it's just all brown and kind of a cream color. So very cool. So I got all 6 of the Disney Lacers Toy Story ones. There is a limited edition one that I'll show on Instagram. I have it on the way, and I think it's the Little Green Men. So that one will be pretty cool too. So those were the Disney Lacers Series 6 collectible shoes. Let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite shoe. This was a tough one for me. I had it down to 2. I really like the Rex shoe. I just like how that one's got all kind of one color. It's all different shades of green. So I just kind of like how that one looks. But I also really like the Woody shoe because I love when you look down on the shoe, I love seeing the, you got the cow print with the red laces, and you have the his shirt, the material of his shirt, which is like kind of the orange and red stripe. So I really like that one too. So those are my 2 favorites here. And if you like these Disney Lacers, be sure to check out my channel because I have unboxed all 6 series of these, and I have quite the collection over off to this side over here. I have a top of the shelf here that's just filled with them. I don't even have room for these 6. I think I have 36 total. So it's getting a little crazy. I almost need some shelves somewhere in here that maybe can tilt down a little bit and have the shoe kind of hang on the shelf a bit. So that might be something I have to look into because I'm sure Series 7 will be out pretty soon, maybe in a month or 2. So I'll have to get those too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.